Hey guys, in this video I just want to show you the first project we'll be building and deploying. Okay, so this is completely deployed. It's a live application on the internet. You'll see it's actually connected to a domain name called VidJot.tech. Okay, and this is an app where we can create an account and log in and just add ideas for future YouTube videos. Okay, it doesn't have to be YouTube, but any kind of video or media that you want to create. Okay, basically the resource is going to be very simple. It's going to be an idea with a title and a details or a body. All right, and then it's also going to be connected to the user so that we only see the video ideas that we create. So let's go ahead and take a look. So this is just the welcome page. We also have a very simple about page, but over here we're going to want to log in to create an idea or list our ideas. You'll see if I just go to /ideas, it's going to tell us that we're not authorized, okay? Because to see or to add or edit ideas, you have to be logged in. So let's register a new user. So we'll just say John Doe, and we'll put in an email of jdoe@gmail. And let's go ahead and put in our password. Now we do have some validation here. We have client-side validation or just HTML5 validation, but we also did some server-side stuff. So for instance, if the passwords don't match, it's going to say that they don't match, or it needs to be at least 4 characters. All right, so let's create a password. We'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4 and submit. And now it says that we're not logged in, we're registered and we can log in. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll say jdoe@gmail and put in our password and submit. And now it takes us to the ideas page. Okay, obviously we have no ideas listed because we just registered. So let's go over here and let's say add idea. Let's say we wanted to add a CSS crash course, and then we'll just say video on CSS. Obviously this would be more, intricate if you were really using this, but let's just submit that. And then it's just going to take us back to the ideas page, and it's going to have that idea. Okay, so if we go ahead and we add another one, let's say HTML5, can't actually say HTML5 crash course. And submit. Okay, we can also edit these. Let's say we want to edit this and we'll change it to CSS3 crash course. We can do that. We can delete them, and it's basically just a CRUD application with some login functionality. All right. Now that sounds and looks really simple, but there's actually a lot of different modules we're going to be using, a lot of code. You're going to learn a ton of stuff just by this one project. Okay, and then of course we can log out, and then I do have another account attached to it with Traversy Media, so let's go ahead and log in with that account, and you'll see that we have that account's courses listed here. So there's no way for one user to see another user's video ideas. Okay, and if they try to edit them, like if we try to go to John Doe's edit page here, we'll get booted out back to the ideas page. So we looked at stuff like that. We also can't register the same email twice. So there's a lot of thought that went into this. So hopefully you guys enjoy this project and you learn a lot from it. So let's go ahead and get started.